So in this video, I'll show you how to change shorts font style in CapCut PC. So now here is now my caption for the shorts. Now all you have to do now to change the font style for the shorts. Now select all the caption. After you select all the caption, then go to text. From the text, go to animation and then go to caption. So from this caption, there is different style for your shorts caption. Then the first one, you can go ahead now and scroll to down and choose this pop-up. So this pop-up is working well for the caption of the short video. So if I select it now, so now I have to finish. So after you select this one, or you can just go ahead now and sit through all this caption to select the one you want to use. But I'll advise you to use the one that is showing like word by word text for your caption. It's more engaging for the short videos. So I'll use this one, this pop-up, or I'll use this paid one, this one or this one. I'll advise you to use one of this. So after you select each one you want to use, or you can use this pop-up, this one that with colored one. For this video, I'll use this one. You can go ahead now and choose. You can go ahead and choose anyone you want to use among this style. But for me, I'll go ahead and use this one. So after I select this one, then go back to the text. Say I'll change this font style. So I'll increase the font style so to be visible for the screen. So after you change the font style like this, then you can tap on this font. So now I'll go ahead now and choose the another font style for my text. Tap on this commercial. Here it will give different font style. So let's say I want to use this comic, or let's say I want to use this rubble. After you choose the font style, you can tap on this option to change the font case. So I want to use like capital case. If you want to use capital or small letters or anyone, you can use. But for me, I want to use this word by word case. So if you want to change the font color, you can tap on this option to change the font color for the text. Let's say you want to use like this one. Most of the people use this text. So this one. So now if I replay my video, see how it works.
I'm going to mention external things.
So here you can even increase the font size by tapping on this option. So now
things that we can do, outward actions or other things that we can.
After you finish, if you want to preview your video, you can tap on this option. After you tap on this option, now let's say I want to upload the video for the YouTube Shorts. I'll tap on this YouTube Shorts. So now here is now how my caption will look like on the YouTube Shorts. So if you want, you can just go ahead and change the size, or you can drag it to above or bottom. You just make sure that the caption is playing well. These pictures for YouTube are not blocking the caption. So after you finish, you can just go ahead now and export your video. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.